What hardware is needed for intensive geospatial data analysis? Have you ever wondered what it takes to analyze geospatial data effectively? The right hardware can make a world of difference in how we interact with maps and spatial information. Let's break down what you need for intensive geospatial data analysis. First off, the processor, or central processing unit, is key. A fast multi-core processor is essential for handling demanding tasks. Aim for an 8-core or higher processor that runs at 3.5 GHz or faster. This allows the computer to perform multiple calculations at once, speeding up your data processing significantly. Next, let's talk about memory, or random access memory. Large amounts of memory help manage big datasets without slowing down your computer. While 8 GB is the minimum for basic tasks, 64 GB or more is ideal for intensive analysis. This is especially important when working with high-resolution maps or three-dimensional models. Storage is another important aspect. Solid-state drives provide fast data access and should have at least 500 GB of free space. If you are working on extensive projects, consider a drive with 1 TB or more. This ensures you have enough room for all your geospatial files. Now, let's move on to the graphics processing unit. A dedicated graphics card is important for rendering three-dimensional visualizations and complex spatial analyses. Look for a card that supports hardware acceleration and open graphics library. A minimum of 1 GB of video random access memory is needed, but higher-end cards with more memory will improve performance in advanced applications. Display quality matters too. A high-resolution screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels or higher is recommended. Larger screens or multiple monitors can make it easier to work with several data layers at once. Finally, consider the operating system. Modern 64-bit operating systems like Windows 10 or Windows 11 are standard for compatibility with most Geographic Information System and remote sensing software. For K-12 students learning geography interactively, these hardware requirements can be adjusted based on the software and data complexity. Basic geospatial activities can run well on computers with 8 GB of memory and a mid-range processor. However, more advanced projects involving three-dimensional mapping or large datasets will benefit from higher specifications. In educational settings, using interactive Geographic Information System software can help students visualize spatial patterns and analyze geographic data in real time. Ensuring that the hardware can smoothly run these tools keeps students engaged and supports hands-on learning experiences. So, when preparing for intensive geospatial data analysis, remember to focus on a fast multi-core processor, ample memory, a solid-state drive, a capable graphics card, and a high-resolution display. Adjusting these specifications can help make geography engaging and accessible for students.